Hey everyone, my name is Charles with Millennium Rentals Leasing, and today we're going to show you how to correctly configure your Hurricane fiber blower, and we'll get a little bit short vision of maintenance on how we maintain that vehicle to make sure it works at optimal conditions. This machine here does work between 2.5 to 14 millimeter fiber and between 5 to 25 millimeter duct. So if you're outside that range, you either have to go up a unit or down a unit. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So what we first want to do is we would need to know the OD of the fiber, the OD's outer diameter, to make sure that it fits correctly. We get the correct seal, so we get the correct blow for the job needed. Okay, we'll open the slides, which I've already done so. We'll place the fiber in here with the correct seal. We'll lower the chamber because we all want to keep this closed as we're using it. There we go. Tighten it back down, and then we'll close the fiber guide. And if you notice on this Hurricane, the fiber guides come in different sizes. Is that for a reason? The smaller size will be your entry side. The larger side will be your exit side that leads into the air chamber. And it's like that to allow the seal that you see, the blue seal, to hold the air into the chamber. And over here we match it up. We want the flat side towards the belts, the bevel side toward the air chamber. That's going to allow it to blossom out once air hits it. All right, we're going to go ahead and tighten this down to make sure the fiber does stay straight and in line with the belts. All right, and we do want to winch this down just enough to where this separate wheel is your pressure wheel. That tells the machine whether the fiber is too tight or too loose. If it's too loose and you start the machine up, it will say cable stop, which means it doesn't have enough pressure. So you need to get enough pressure with a grab and then lock this down. But if you get too much pressure, if the fiber crashes at the end, the machine won't know where you're ruining your fiber. So it is a feeling kind of thing. So you have to make sure you get that correct feel, okay? On the other side of the air chamber, we will require micro duct and a seal here as well. Once it's locked in, lock your clamp down first. Make sure it's secure so it holds this nice and sturdy. So we want the orange seal to be, the orange duct to be just past the seal, but not too much to where it covers the entire hole back here, which allows the airflow pressure to come in. Okay, once you have that done, go ahead and close your air chamber. Make sure it's sealed. Just hand tight as you turn the air on, induce air. This will get tighter as it tries to expand. Make sure your air valve is off, okay? The first thing you do want to do is hook up your DC input first. Always hook up the input first before you hook up the control module in case you do have a short or some kind of spark in voltage. We do want to line up the two dots. They kind of have a groove. Once you push it in, firmly, securely tighten this down. Do not over tighten it. It's plastic, you will strip it. Once that's good, go ahead and plug this to your generator, power pack, the back of your truck, wherever you get some kind of voltage from. Then it comes to your handheld unit. Once you hook this up, there is a groove on the inside that must point down or it will not line up. Again, once you hook it in, safely and securely tighten this down to where it doesn't move because you don't want to break the pins on the inside. Once that's done, now you're finally okay. Go ahead and turn it on and get it working.